We are going to try some Balut eggs.
And I'm super excited.
She is. So these have been cooked for 30 minutes. So we're going to peel the top and drink the
You're
juice.
so fast.
Ready?
Wait, I don't think I peeled it. How'd you get in yours? Wait.
Hold on.
Oh, I got it. Right? Ryan. How'd you get yours? I'm hitting something. I think I'm hitting.
Here.
We're going to
Try
trade.
mine. Okay. Drink the juice. Delicious. It's like chicken soup,
It's
right?
like, yeah, with a tang.
All right, now peel it.
Feel it. Oh.
Don't look at mine.
Don't-
Don't look. It's okay. You'll be fine.
I'm not ready for this. I thought I was. Oh, mine's hard. Well, I can't eat that. I can't put that in my mouth. I
Just
can't.
try it.
Just try it, yeah. Okay.
Shaking. It's like. Here's the duck. Okay.
You didn't dip it.
Dip it.
That's you
Dip it.
It's the texture. There's so much going on.
No.
There's something wrong with you.
It smells so bad.
Yeah, there's the.
We're done doing these videos. I gotta wash my mouth out. Goodbye, guys.
Bye.